We are talking about using GEMDAS to solve inequalities. And we want to solve inequalities by inverse operations, and we want to solve any inequalities involving more than one step. So here we solve the following inequalities. Write your answer in set builder notation, interval notation, and graph your answers. So first one here, we're going to GEMDAS, and we have it written down here. So the first thing we see is addition and subtraction, because whenever we're solved, we want to start with addition and subtraction and work to groups. We do have addition and subtraction right here, but it's inside a group, so we have to wait till the end to deal with that. So the next one that we come to is multiplication and division, and we have to do the inverse. So we have multiplication here, so then we're going to divide by -9. So that is inverse divide. And when we're dealing with inequalities, the reason that we divide it is because we want this 9 and this -9 to cancel. But anytime we're dealing with inequalities, if we divide or multiply by a negative, you must change the direction of the inequality. So change the direction of the inequality. And so here we're dividing by negative, so we have to change the direction of the inequality. So now instead of being greater than it, it's less than. The -9's cancel, we're left with -1 plus x. And here 18 divided by 9 is 2, and a positive divided by negative is a negative. So then we want to get x by itself still, so we're going to add 1 and add 1. And the reason that we did that is inverse addition or inverse add. And that cancels our -1 with our +1, and we're left with x is less than -1. So at that point, we also have the variable on the left side, so x is less than -1. So in set builder notation, we put x is less than -1. So I'll put -1 on the number line. This symbol right here means open circle. And if the variable is on the left side, we shade the same direction as the inequality, so we'll shade to the left. Now, for interval notation, we need two ends of the boundary. So here we have -1 is going to be one of our ends, and then we need the other end. This arrow means we're going to -infinity. And so we'll go from -infinity to -1. This open circle means we're using a parenthesis here because -1's not included, and we can never include -infinity, so we'll use the parenthesis there.